Bird flu. Bird flu, also called avian influenza, is a viral infection that can infect not only birds, but also humans and other animals. Most forms of the virus are restricted to birds. Influenza, also referred to as seasonal flu, is a highly contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. Anyone can get the flu as it is spread easily from person to person, usually when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Although there are several types of bird flu, H5N1 was the first avian influenza virus to infect humans. The first infection occurred in Hong Kong in 1997. The outbreak was linked to handling infected poultry. H5N1 occurs naturally in wild waterfowl, but it can spread easily to domestic poultry. The disease is transmitted to humans through contact with infected bird feces, nasal secretions, or secretions from the mouth or eyes. Consuming properly cooked poultry or eggs from infected birds doesn't transmit the bird flu, but eggs should never be served runny. Meat is considered safe if it has been cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 73.9 degrees Celsius.